What's up, y'all? It's Bella, backtesting with Bella, Trading Bay. I hope y'all are off to a great start for your new year. And if you're not, please join my free Discord and let me know how I can help you. I would like to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Everyone who's been following me, y'all know just how hard I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you. But I'm now at my next goal, which is 5K subscribers. So if you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. Engage in the comment section. I do respond to everybody, and I love to talk and meet with new people. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the video today, which is based on high probability setups in the market using order blocks followed by a fair value gap with a little bit of the strat as well. So let's get into it. So before I get into this video, I'm just going to go ahead and type it out. What we'll be going over. So we will be going over high probability setups using order blocks and fair value gaps in the market. So the rules for this setup, I'm just going to go ahead and type out the rules really quick. The rules are you always want to see, number one, a draw on liquidity. Number two, you want to see an order block. And number three, you want to see that order block followed by a fair value gap. So those are the rules. Now, the way how you would go about sales, this will be your setup for a sell market. You want to, number one, I gotta do better with my typing, so y'all don't even try to get on me. But yeah, so for sales, you want to, number one, you want to see a draw on buy side liquidity. Number two, you want to see a bearish order block form. And number three, you want to see a bearish fair value gap. So this is for sales. Okay, now for buys, it's different. All right, so for buys, it's different. So this is the strategy, trading order blocks and fair value gaps in the market. And then for extra confirmation, using the strat, you can see if it has a directional candle. So if it goes 2 down or if it goes up. So using a strat, you can use 2s for directional candles. So I'll just put this here. So go ahead and take a quick screenshot of this because I will be deleting this off my chart to get into showing you guys on what it would look like when you're taking sales based off a draw on buy side liquidity, a bearish order block, and a bearish fair value gap, or when you're taking buys, a draw on sell side liquidity followed by a bullish order block with a bullish fair value gap, and adding in a strat for extra confirmation using tools, which is directional candles in the market. So go ahead, take a quick screenshot because I'm about to delete this right now. All right, so let's go ahead and get into replay mode. So from here, starting from this point is a great example. So there's a draw on buy side liquidity here. There's a draw on buy side liquidity. There's also a bearish order block, and there's also a bearish fair value gap. Matter of fact, there's 2 bearish fair value gaps, so it's all of extra confirmation. There's also a market shift from this point. So go ahead and add that as well. So targets would be all the way down towards sell side liquidity. So it's showing a bit late, but entries would have already been triggered. So let me just delete this. You guys see the order blocks and fair value gaps, the circles that I'm deleting right now. So you guys pretty much see how the market reacted when it created a draw on buy side liquidity, a bearish order block, followed by a bearish fair value gap. This is for sales. So now I'm going to go ahead and clear my chart again because it is now a draw on buy side liquidity. But just because it's a draw on buy side liquidity here, it doesn't automatically mean like, okay, I'm about to hop in for some buys. So today I'm just talking about one strategy. You want to look for your setup. So it's an order block followed by a fair value gap. So right here, I see step 1. There's a draw on sell side liquidity. But just because there's a draw on sell side liquidity, it doesn't mean like, okay, the market's about to pop right now. You get what I'm saying? So from here. So now I see a draw on sell side liquidity. I see step 2. I see a bullish order block. But there's still no entry. The reason why there's no entry yet is because it's not followed by a bullish fair value gap. If anything, I'm going to go ahead and clear my chart. You guys pretty much see there's another order block followed by fair value gap, but let's just wait on another good setup. So what I see here still is this bullish order block, that is still bouncing from. So from this bullish order block, I want to see it followed by a bullish fair value gap. So bullish fair value gap here. bullish order block here. Targets is towards buy side liquidity. All right, so it went over the first target. Let's see if it can go towards the second target. Okay, so there's a bit of rejection here. I'm gonna just go ahead and end this one. Wait on another great example. But right here, what I see now is a draw on some internal liquidity. So let's see. I see step 2 here. I see a bearish order block has formed. So now I'm going to be looking for step 3. Step 3 is I want to see a bearish fair value gap to be wanting to enter in for sales. So this looks like a fair value gap is going to be formed even from this point here. Simply because I see that there's going to be a gap in between the wicks. So that can be entry here for sales in the market. So bearish order block formed by a bearish fair value gap. This is entry for sales. Target points is towards liquidity areas. So this is a target down here. So you guys pretty much see how it was a draw on buy side liquidity, a bearish order block formed, and then also a bearish fair value gap had formed. So I'm going to go ahead and clear my chart. There's now a draw on sell side liquidity. So I do see a bullish fair value gap has formed. But what I don't see is it had formed a bullish order block. So, yeah, no. Alright, so there's been a draw on sell side liquidity. Now, here's a bullish order block. Now I want to see the market create another bullish fair value gap to enter in for buys in the market. So even from here at this point, draw on sell side liquidity, bullish order block. Now there's a bullish fair value gap here. Bullish fair value gap there. So targets would be towards sell side liquidity. So this is a target up here. This is another target up here at previous swing highs in the market. Now, my entry would be, once this goes to up, so my entry would be like safe entry, so above 31,612. So this is using strat terms. This would be entry. So now that is entry for me to go back towards 33,336. So you guys pretty much see it forming all throughout the chart. You see an order block followed by a bullish fair value gap, buys in the market. You see an order block, fair value gap. It's all just indicating buys in the market. So yeah, that is how you can use order blocks followed by a fair value gap in the market for high probability setups. This is just a daily time frame. Intraday trading, I love to use the 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, and also the 15-minute time frame too. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I feel like this is one of my best videos yet, because this is one of my favorite strategies. So help me out, help my channel out to get into the YouTube algorithm by liking and comment and subscribing. Bye guys.